Hello, my name is Tanya Latner, and I'd like to give you a quick tutorial of the LLVM Developers Meeting site on Whova. First, go to our main event website, and if you scroll down a little bit, you'll find the link to Whova. Clicking here will bring you to the LLVM Developers Meeting on Whova. If you have not logged in already, it will prompt you to log in or create an account. If you have not created an account yet, please make sure to use the same email address that you registered with. If you have any issues with the process, please reach out to the organizers. I highly recommend that you try to log in before the event. Once logged in, it will bring you to the landing page, where we have a description of the event and the sponsors listed on the right. Your first stop is most likely the agenda, so click on Agenda in the main navigation area on the left. Clicking here will show you all the sessions for each day of the event. You can search for a specific session by name or speaker name. You can also filter by tracks. Say you're only interested in tutorials. You can click Type Tutorial, and it will only display the tutorials for each day. You can also filter by specific tracks. All sessions associated with the track will be live streamed together. So if you're watching one live stream, you'll see all the sessions for that track. Let's say you're really interested in a specific talk and you don't want to forget. Well, you can add it to your own personalized agenda within the Whova site. Take this MLIR tutorial. I can click Add to my agenda. It's going to ask me if I want to add it to my Google Calendar. I'm going to say no, because I know that it's stored in my agenda within the Whova site. Let's dig deeper into a session. Here we're looking at the tutorial. As you can see, there is already a pre-recorded video posted to view. You can view these videos on demand at any time. However, during the actual event, we will have a live stream where it will live stream this pre-recorded talk and then flow into a Q&A session. If you scroll down, you will see the speakers for the talks and their information, and then further on down, a description of the session. If you have a question, you would post it over here in the session Q&A. And then as an attendee and you see a question that you would like answered, you can upvote this. And that makes it more likely that it will get answered during the live Q&A. Next, we have the chat area where you can chat with other attendees about this particular session. And finally, there's a link to the community area on the Whova site, which I will go into more details in a minute. Clicking back on the agenda will bring you back to the full agenda. Next up, we have the attendee listing. Here you will find all the attendees of the event. You can search this list to see if you find someone that you're looking for. Let's try it out. Let's look for this Chris Latner guy. Oh, there he is. We can view his profile. He's speaking. Here's his bio, and then also a link with him on social media. You can also send people private messages. If you have chosen to make your profile private, you will not be able to view other people's profiles. You have full control over what you want displayed in your profile as well. Moving on to the community area in Whova. Here you will find topics that people have posted and discussions about those topics. For example, here is a topic started by one of the speakers, and there's already a few comments about this topic. You can also check for organizer announcements, or most importantly is this Meetups and virtual meets area. This is where you're going to want to post your impromptu meetups or roundtables. It's pretty easy to do. You just click Suggest a Meet. Let's make a virtual meet because we're not in person. And then you just need to enter a title, a description, and then how are you going to host this virtual meeting? You can connect to a Zoom account, use Whova's virtual meet room, or your own external meeting link, such as Google Meet or other. I would not recommend using Whova's virtual meet room because it has a pretty small limitation on the number of attendees. I'm going to use an external link just for example. Just a fake URL, if I can type properly. And then I'm going to put it on the first day at, let's say, 7 a.m. Okay. And submit. And now you can see the virtual meet is listed right here, and all the other attendees can see it as well and join your virtual meet at the time. that you have posted it. Moving on down to the poster session. All the posters for the event are listed here. And when you click on them, you will see a description and also a PDF of the poster that you can download. As you can see with this first one, the poster presenter also recorded a video of their presentation. Not all the posters have a video, but some do, and I recommend checking it out. You can also come to the live poster session and have the person present it to you live. Next, we have the sponsor section where all the sponsors of our event are listed, and you can click on each one and read more about the company and see if they have any handouts or job postings listed there. There are a couple other areas of interest in the navigation bar. You can see all the session Q&As, a video gallery of all the videos that are posted, and the speakers as well. I hope that this quick tutorial of the LLVM Developers Meeting site on Whova was useful, and I really look forward to seeing you all on the day of the event. Take care.